cold as shit. 7 in the morning. It's rally day. This neighbor's off. What's going on, YouTube Voodoo? Today is Friday. We're not going to Cartels Tacos Tequilas. Shout out to you guys. Be safe, have fun. Today we're going on a Ford Fusion rally from Commerce to Spartanburg, all the way up to the GoPro Motorplex in Mooresville, North Carolina. We'll bring footage on that, as well as tune in tomorrow. We'll be bringing footage from the event and all the craziness with the go-karts on the track. So I'm gonna get my oil changed. Stay tuned. What's poppin'? Waiting to get the oil changed at Abilene. And of course, we're about 30 minutes early. So stay tuned. As you can see, oil change has started. Be on the road shortly. Truck almost just came over into my lane, pushed me off the road, jackass. Stay tuned. So we finally made it. We're in Spartanburg. Still got about 5-10 minutes left. Stay tuned.
Weren't we supposed to get that? Or did that get delayed because of COVID too? No,
We're still about an hour out, and there's currently 4 of us headed up to North Carolina. Well, we're in North Carolina now, so stay tuned. We finally made it to our hotel. There's a pre-meet before tomorrow, so gonna be filming that. But right now, we're gonna rest a little bit. See you guys.
Okay. So they're gonna send you back home? Alright. Alright, baby. Justin! Justin! Park right there, man. Come up right here.
I see this shit is so clean. Look at the blue line. There's Chris. Thank you, baby.
that wraps up today's events. Tune in tomorrow for the Fusion Flood. If you like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. Guys, I'm out.